Good morning, guys. Hi, I'm Jen. We are taking another trip today, probably the last trip of the summer, and we are going to Harrison Hot Spring, which is the closest hot spring place close to our area. We are already prepared and ready to go. I would love for you guys to join us on this trip, so let's go.
So this is what we have prepared, just the water hat, just in case if we're bored like in the hotel after hour, we brought chess, yes, and we got jackets and some water bottles. These are all the swimming stuff, like the floaties. I mean the hotel Can you tell how excited they are? Harrison Hot Spring is roughly 2 hours away from our home. It's located around Harrison Lake. It's a small village around the Fraser Valley of British Columbia. I have been to the Harrison Lake area, but I have never been into the resort. So I'm super excited for this. We're here. We are at Harrison Lake Resort area and just got here not long ago. We are too early, so we couldn't check in yet. So we are hanging out at the front area first. Beautiful weather today. So blue. Not many people because we come on a weekday. Well, it's like fairly quiet right now. It's like noon. Beautiful weather. Look at this beautiful lake. It's actually very cold. The lake water is freezing cold, but the kids can't help it. They have to go down to play. When they see the water, the sand, they just couldn't help it. They have to go in. It's like they don't even feel the temperature at all. What's that? Looks like a fun time. I don't think they're open today though. There's nobody there. But that looks super cool. Time is finally up, so we are on the way to the hotel to check in. I can't wait to see what our hotel room's gonna look like. This hotel is actually pretty old, so I don't think it's gonna be like super new and whatnot, but that doesn't matter because the goal is the hot springs pool. So for the hotel, we probably just stay the night, and most of the time we'll be hanging out together outside or in the pool. Welcome to our room. Official room tour. This is the washroom. We're already kind of settled in. Yeah, so this is the washroom. We have put stuff in it already. This is just a simple toilet, sink. Yeah, we're hanging stuff everywhere. And this is a mid-range room that we have two queen beds. Just a very simple TV, very basic stuff. And we have the lake view on the first floor. Not the best, but I think they give us the first floor because we have kids around and they have a balcony, so that's why. But that's it. Very simple room. And we are gonna go have some afternoon snack. Be right back. Okay, so we're all settled in, and now we are heading to the hot spring area now. It's quite a bit of walk.
It's like up and down.
Yeah, I know. Where's designer? We're here.
Push. Doesn't look like it's a push. Am I? Please swipe your room key.
Oh. Please swipe your room key.
Oh, there's two.
Yeah, it's always two. There we go. Now we're out.
I'm trapped.
Yeah, trapped. This is the main pool. I think there's like 5 or 6 pools here. There's one right there for the adults, and this is the family pool. So everybody can go in here, but I think the kids can only be here, and the adults, this is adult only, I believe.
I kept my sunglasses.
Yep, so we're going inside to play. We'll see you later. Okay, so we are finished. We finished the pool, and now everybody is cleaned up, fresh and clean. And we decided to go get some drinks because it's a nice night and it's still early. It's like 8:30 and all the kids are about to go to sleep. So we decided to go get some drinks, maybe some snackies. And so we're on the way there. Look how pretty this place is. They made the whole place like light up. Like even though the beach area, it's like kind of dark, but this area is so bright still. Beautiful. This is a nice place, a nice pub. A liquor store that closed at 12, which is awesome. We're actually all pretty tired, all the driving, swimming. But we're trying to enjoy the night because we're leaving tomorrow. We got drinks. We got a few different flavors. Got the regular beer. And we got some fruity ones for us. This is blueberry sour. It looks super cool. And now we have this super beautiful looking one. Like a social butterfly, strawberry. What is this word? Rhubarb? 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 Sour. Oh, it's so okay, let the drinking start.
So sad.
Let the drinking start.
What do you want?
Oh, good morning. We're leaving today. I'm gonna stay here. It's so fun.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's 7 o'clock and we're gonna get ready to go eat breakfast. We're not gonna eat the buffet in the hotel, so we're probably gonna walk out on the strip to see if there's anything to eat. So we're gonna get prepared
Another
now.
melted one.
Food's here. We're heading to the beach because the kids just couldn't wait for it anymore. So they actually went ahead and start playing in the like the lakeside already. We are going to see them. They can't wait. They're like, we want to go to the beach. So my sister took them first, and now we'll be enjoying them. looking for food, but there's not much stuff to eat. A lot of places are actually like breakfast and lunch and stuff like that. And plus it's kind of like after a long weekend, so it's like a lot of places actually is not open. So we are being indecisive right now of what to eat. We just checked out of the hotel and now we brought the kids to the nearby playground. We're gonna stay here for a while, let them kind of blow off the steam a little bit, and then we'll be on our way to our next place. We are on the way to one of the most famous waterfall in the area, and it's called Bridal Veil Falls. I heard it's a beautiful waterfall that is not too far of a hike, roughly within 30 minutes. So we're taking the kids there to see a real life waterfall. Hopefully the waterfall will be big enough for us to see because we are a little bit late to the season. It's the end of summer. That means the mountain's ice is mostly melted by now. So fingers crossed for the kids to see their first beautiful waterfall successfully.
Like a good live edge.
Okay. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're here. We're here. Oh, we can see it. It's so pretty. Okay. And that concludes our trip. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.